Hi, welcome. If you've made it this far, then you have access to a great opportunity. GrooveFunnels and the Groove Apps suite is an opportunity to tap into every possible tool that you'll need to do internet marketing. Now we're in a digital age, and as 2020 has taught us, you need to get online. Now you now have access to upgrade to a platinum lifetime access, and the co-founder of GrooveFunnels is here to tell you more about this offer. Let's hear from him.
Hi, I'm Michael Same. I'm the co-founder of GrooveFunnels. Welcome to the GrooveFunnels upgrade page. In this short video, I'm going to explain everything about the upgrade to make it crystal clear for you. So let's first start out with what you have. So what you have right now is the free plan. And the free plan, we call that the base. That means you get all of GrooveSell, all of Groove Affiliate, all of the future updates, everything. There'll never be anything that we ever do to GrooveSell or Groove Affiliate that will ever ask you for a credit card for. You also get GroovePages Lite. And you'll notice in these other plans here, Silver, Gold, and Platinum, it says GroovePages Pro here as well. So what I'm going to do right now is talk about the difference between GroovePages Lite and GroovePages Pro. As you can see, in GroovePages Lite, you get wireframe blocks, and you also get that in the Pro upgrade. The Pro upgrade, however, gives you premium blocks, and we'll be adding more and more. In the Lite version, we gave you a premium block starter pack. Also, as you can see, we gave you one set of funnel templates from our library, as opposed to the entire full growing library of funnel templates that we have now, and we'll be adding to that library for years and years to come. Also, as you can see, the Pro upgrade gives you unlimited project sites, where in the Lite version, you'll get 3 project sites. You'll also get unlimited pages, unlimited websites, and unlimited funnels. Here, we'll give you 3 total funnels. Now, of course, we give you free hosting for Lite, but the other big difference here is the Lite version doesn't give you custom domains. So you'll have to use a username, like I would be michaelsame.groovepages.com. That's where my sites would be hosted. So yours would be at yourusername.groovepages.com. But as you can see, in the Pro upgrade, you get unlimited custom domains. So if you want to go out and buy the domain name for your brand, or if you already have it, you can wrap that around your website and your funnels, and you can have them branded to your own custom domain. And as you can see, we give you unlimited custom domains. You also get unlimited bandwidth, unlimited royalty-free images, unlimited pop-ups, unlimited elements, access to new templates that we're adding all the time, as we just said before. You also get free SSL certificates and, of course, free hosting. All right, so now we know the difference between GroovePages Lite and GroovePages Pro. So everything from here on out includes GroovePages Pro. You right now currently have the free base plan, which is GroovePages Lite. So let me talk about one more thing over here as well. You see that this dotted line here says GrooveFunnels. So everything over here is all of the GrooveFunnels suite and what's included in the GrooveFunnels suite. All right, now today the lifetime upgrade is for everything that you see here, the Platinum Lifetime Upgrade. So you may be wondering, what is the Silver and the Gold plan? Well, this plan is coming out in July when we launch GrooveFunnels fully. So as you can see, we have a little asterisk here for GrooveMail, GrooveMember, and GrooveVideo. As well, below on this page, we have a timeline for everything else that you see here on this whiteboard. All right, so now we know what the base model is. Now let's talk about GrooveFunnels. What is GrooveFunnels? So everything past this dotted line right here is GrooveFunnels. So we have 3 plans, the Silver and the Gold, that are going to be monthly plans that go live sometime in July of this year. And right now, the only option that's available is the Lifetime Platinum option. But we're going to get to that in just a minute. So let's talk about these plans right here, Silver and Gold. So as I said, in July, when GrooveFunnels fully launches, we're going to be launching with not only GrooveSell, Groove Affiliate, and GroovePages Pro, which is available now, but we will also be adding GrooveMail, GrooveMember, and GrooveVideo. Now, this is going to be selling for $99 per month. Now, I also want to say here that your affiliate commissions are 20%. If you refer anybody to us, they're also 20% here, and they're also 20% in this plan. Now, also in July, when we open this up to the public, this is going to be selling for either $99 per month, and there'll be another option, which is the Gold plan, which is going to be $199 per month. And of course, we have the Platinum program, which when in July will be selling for $299 per month. So I'm just going to put that right here. We're going to cross that out in just a minute because that's not what you're going to be paying today. So again, the plans when we open in July will be $99 per month. That gives you Groove Sell, Groove Affiliate, Groove Pages Pro, Groove Mail, Groove Member, Groove Video. That'll be $99 per month. Under the Gold plan, we're going to add Groove Blog, Groove Desk, Groove Calendar, Groove Survey, and Groove Quiz. That'll be $199 a month. And for $299 a month, you're also going to be getting Groove Webinars, live and automated webinars, and Groove Pages for Shopify. Okay, so now you know. While these plans are not available now, when we do launch Groove Funnels this summer in July, this is what everybody will be paying for our software. $99 per month, $199 per month, or $299 per month. But I'm going to erase this, and then we're going to get started and talk about what exactly is the Platinum Lifetime option. All right, with a little bit of movie magic, we were able to erase that. So now, let's talk about what all of these products are. Okay, so Groove Mail. Groove Mail is a CRM like MailChimp, except it's a little bit more powerful. It's actually something more like you're familiar with like ActiveCampaign or something you would have heard with Infusionsoft. It will allow you to do tagging and behavioral-based email marketing, meaning if they see this page or if they see to this timestamp in the video, if they were on the webinar or not on the webinar, then do this. Send this email, send this voice blast, send this text message. You get the point. Again, so for a full feature set of that, you can compare that Groove Mail to something like ActiveCampaign. Next is Groove Member. We're going to have a built-in membership platform. It's going to be pretty robust. It will have plans where you can do free, silver, gold, platinum. It'll drip content. It'll allow you to have videos and download. And of course, the most exciting thing is it all works with Groove Sell and Groove Affiliate. It's pretty fantastic. And then finally is Groove Video. So Groove Video is like something like a paid premium upgrade to Vimeo or something like Wistia. It's going to allow you to host all of your videos, marketing videos. On top of that, it's going to have things like split testing. You can control the player controls. You can control the splash image. But more important, the most important thing about this is it's integrated with the entire suite. So you could use tagging. So you could say, let's say the price reveal is at 13 minutes into your video sales letter. You can set a tag if they don't make it that far to send them a follow-up. And if they do see the price and don't buy, well, then you can send them a different follow-up, maybe with a different payment plan. But that's Groove Video, and now let's move on to some more exciting things. Okay, so remember, all of this part of Groove Funnels will Groove Mail, Groove Member, Groove Video, this is all coming in July. Now, we have the same things here. We're going to put a little line right here. So this right here, Groove Blog and Groove Desk, we're hoping to have ready by the end of this year in 2020. So this is 2020. Now, Groove Calendar, Groove Survey, Groove Quiz, this is the first quarter of 2021. Sorry for mucking this up, but basically, we want to get you away from WordPress. So we're going to have a very robust blogging system for you to actually have your blogs. It's going to use some elements of Groove Pages. And if you want to have simple things that you can do with your blog, like make updates and posts and have excellent SEO, Groove Blog will be for you. It's not going to have everything that WordPress has. If you're a WordPress lover, you can still use WordPress with our platform. Okay, moving on. So next is Groove Calendar. This is if you're doing coaching or if you have classes like yoga classes or karate classes, or you can have people book times to speak with you. It's a pretty cool calendar thing, but the beautiful thing is when they register for your calendar, they will get into Groove Mail and you can set up automated follow-up sequences. Next will be Groove Desk, and Groove Desk is basically we'll have a built-in help desk platform, so if somebody puts in a ticket, you'll instantly be able to see what they purchased and do a refund right from the help desk. Pretty cool stuff. Finally, Groove Quiz and Groove Survey, two things from the same technology. The slight difference between what a survey and a quiz is, but we're going to have that built in. Again, when they take it, it's going to go part of being one of your funnels. It'll add their email address to Groove Mail. It's a great way to do marketing, and we're going to have that included in that plan as well. So that wraps out Groove Funnels Gold, and that's going to sell for $199 a month. Now, let's move on to what is available right now, and that's Groove Funnels Funnels lifetime option. It's our platinum. This will later sell for $299 per month, and you're going to get this for one price, and you will never have to make ongoing payments to us ever again. In fact, you're going to help us as what we call a backer of this project. Right now, we've raised over $2 million with people like you getting this. So later, you can get this at $299 a month, or about $3,600 per year. But right now, you can get it for less than half of that. For less than half of that, with our lifetime option, you'll never make any payments to us ever again. You basically own the platform, all the funnels that we'll be adding, all the templates, all the features, all the upgrades, everything. You'll never make another payment to us again. So, you're getting all the same things here as gold. You'll see this line's completely up right here. Plus, the platinum gives you the following. GrooveCart. GrooveCart is an e-commerce platform that currently sells for $99 per month, and that competes with Shopify. We're also going to give you Groove Pages for Shopify. This is going to be an app that's going to sell in the Shopify marketplace for $49 per month. You'll be able to design all of your sites and your checkout pages for Shopify with Groove Pages for Shopify. And again, that's going to sell for $49 per month. That's going to be included here in the lifetime option. On top of that, one of the most exciting things is we have Groove Webinars. Groove Webinars is going to be two products in one. It's going to have live webinars, so if you're familiar with things like GoToWebinar or Webinar Jam, and it's going to have automated webinars, so if you're familiar with platforms like Stealth Seminar or EverWebinar. These are very expensive platforms. They're going to be included for free also in this package, or at no extra cost. It's included. Again, here, you notice that you don't even see that. That's going to be the platinum level to get this at $299 a month. It's included in the lifetime option. But here's one more exciting thing. Right here, platinum lifetime members get paid 40% commission on our referral system, where here, it's 20%. So we're doubling your commissions for helping us get the word out with this product. In fact, you can even promote the free offer, and when they upgrade, if you're a free member, you get 20%, and later it'll still be 20%. But our affiliate program for platinum customers is 40%, so we double your affiliate commissions. Get a couple of people to buy this or sign up for free. When they upgrade, this thing will end up paying for itself anyway if you have any type of reach or even just a little bit of influence at all. Okay, I want to get to the price right now, but I also want to let you know one thing that we're also doing with our platform. We are opening up our API kit to developers. What that means is our platform is going to be like an iPhone or an Android or Chrome with extensions, or things like WordPress with extensions, or the Shopify marketplace. What that means is someone like you or anybody else will be able to develop different things that we may never do, like maybe create an MLM affiliate program. Somebody can go out and start developing that for our platform. If we have our pop-ups, if somebody says, hey, I want them to slide in over here and do all these wicked things, you could create Groove Pops, or maybe Opt-in Monster would create their own plugin. So essentially, we're going to have other people helping us develop the platform. The only thing I can tell you is, what would your iPhone be like without Developers Marketplace, right? So that's going to really make the power of this platform be second to none compared to anything out there. So now let's get to the pricing. Okay, so right now you're a free member. We can basically cross this out right here, because this doesn't apply to you. You're not going to be paying us $99 per month, or $199 per month, or $299 per month when we launch to the public. Right now, you can become a backer, and you'll own it for life, and you get the platinum lifetime option, where once you make this payment, you never pay us ever again. Oh, and two things real quick. You'll also notice here at the 40%, where these plans for base, silver, and gold were 20%. Well, here, you also get non-promotional bonuses. It says, yes, these don't include that. So what that means is, any part of your marketing that you do that you're not promoting us, but we will have things like in your emails that say, powered by GrooveFunnels, or the webinar rooms might say powered by GrooveFunnels, or your membership sites may say powered by GrooveFunnels, or if you want to optionally put on your page badges that we let you turn on that says powered by Groove Pages. These aren't things that you're actually endorsing or sending an email or making a video review. It's just part of your marketing. And with that, we will pay you 20% commission as a free bonus. We call that mailbox money. Just for doing nothing, you get paid with that. These plans don't include that. And finally, Groove Mail on all of these plans here, Groove Mail, in between when we stop taking